show you how to do a marble effect using Paris and Lisbon. These are the acrylic range from the Halo Create. So first of all, you're going to wet your brush into the monomer. Pick up a bead onto the nail, wet your brush, pick up your other bead, place direct to each other. And then I'm using Cover Pink as well, just to separate the two colours. Wet your brush again, swirl movement, and then stop. The key is not to overwork the acrylic, otherwise it'll just all blend together. You want in that nice subtle marble effect. So same again. Obviously I've got more of a turquoise here, so I'm going to go blue first. Always make sure that the nail is pointing down, because gravity will be your friend as well. It just makes the process a little bit easier. And I'm just going to put a little bit of blue there, just to fill in the gap. To add a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to be using Be Fearless, which is the silver one. So a little ball of clear acrylic into the glitter and just drag the glitter shards wherever you want them. And then cap the whole nail in clear acrylic. Wet your brush in the monomer and just drag the brush down, and that just disperses any air bubbles and makes it nice and crisp. Once that's dry, file and then top coat.